Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying support and grabbing your assets. This saves time later. First, make sure your device and OS version support focus wallpaper behavior, then select 1:3 images sized at roughly twice your screen resolution to avoid blur. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Focus or Do Not Disturb. Tap the focus profile you want to customize and choose wallpaper options. That's the first concrete step toward making focus visually distinct and functional. Now you configure the wallpaper itself and why each choice matters. Select your prepared image and decide still, live, or portrait. Live adds motion and portrait preserves depth data. Make sure to crop and align to important content. Misalignment hides icons. Next, adjust intensity, blur, or color overlay so notifications remain readable. Finally, assign the wallpaper to lock screen, home screen, or both, and connect it to the focus trigger for automatic switching when the profile activates. Finish by testing and addressing common failures. Manually enable the focus profile and watch the wallpaper swap. If it doesn't, confirm automation permissions and that the profile is active. Restarting the device often clears stubborn cache issues, and reassigning the image can fix format conflicts. Make sure to save a backup copy and document which focus uses which wallpaper so future edits are quick. If problems persist, remove overlays or accessibility filters, as they sometimes block wallpaper changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.